All right, here we go. Good morning, everyone. And I don't know about you, we were just talking about the fact that what the heck, it is almost Memorial Weekend. May was like a flash. I know Memorial Weekend's like a tiny bit early this year, but it feels extra early, and it's nestled in between all of the Maycember things, but I bet you have some fun things on your calendar, some great ideas of how you're gonna spend your weekend, and there's just some, I don't know, like great casual, easy pieces that I'm so excited to mix and match and kind of walk you through, along with some great trends that we're going to be bringing in and really highlighting to infuse into that wardrobe to give it a little bit of edge and a whole lot of freshness. So we're going to start with the look I have on today. The weather here has been crazy, and it looks like it's been that way across the country. Unpredictable, hot one day, cool the next, and so I'm looking for easy layers that I can mix and match, including this amazing Splendid sweatshirt. Why I love this, really lightweight, almost like a terry knit. It's relaxed and oversized. I'm wearing an extra small. This feels like something I would throw on over a swimsuit on a warmer day, pair it back to a great pair of cutoffs on a cooler day, just like I'm wearing now. What I think gives this outfit some edge and a little bit of unexpected twist is pairing it back to black instead of the expected blue. This is the Kaylee denim short from Pistola. It is my favorite new silhouette in shorts. A longer short is where it's at this season, no doubt. I'm wearing my true size in this one. It has a great, easy leg opening, my #1 requirement for any shorts I put on this bod. And even as a petite, I don't feel like these are too long. I love the wash down gray. Of course, I'm adding a fun little belt and then a woven shoe. I gotta show you. I don't think I can take it off because I don't think I'll ever be able to get it back on. But really fun woven Mary Jane here. This is a nice alternative to your fully covered up shoe. I love a shoe like this for work as well as for play, and that little bit of texture gives this whole outfit something unexpected. Now, if I'm looking for another great layer in this department, I might go for an open weave sweater. So, couple really fun options here. The first is another amazing option from Splendid. How cute is this? Now, this is almost a gray blue. So if you're looking for something that feels kind of Memorial Weekend, but not so on the nose, this is a sweater for you. This great open knit, this Johnny collar, more of that polo kind of style, and again, a more relaxed fit. This is a total home run and would be also so cute back to these gray shorts. Little bit more monochromatic, really fun. So curious what everyone's plans are for Memorial Day. Do you have something good going on? Make sure you're telling us. Maybe you'll give someone of us some inspiration, because right now my plans include cleaning out the garage. Okay, another really fun sweater, and you're gonna notice a trend here. This open weave, open knit silhouettes are so hot right now, and they're great even when the weather is warm because they're really lightweight. This is from Z Supply. It comes in 2 great colors. I love this really beautiful cerulean blue, bright with that great swatch of white. But if you want to go more neutral, this is a really fun option in this really light cream back to a white stripe. Both are meant to be a little bit relaxed and fit. Both would look great back to black, and a fun combination. And if the weather is really turning up and you want to pop on an unexpected layer or treat this just as a top, this crochet open weave sweater from Evereve is absolutely one of my faves. Gang, how darn cute is this? Little bit of a hood here. This lace-up detail in the front is chef's kiss. So on trend, so right. Now, what's so cute about this, wear it over a cami, really lightweight. Pop it on over a tee, so darn cute. If you haven't snagged that Harrison tee yet, you need to get it. It is a great layering tee. I love it under pieces like this because it's a slimmer fit, doesn't interrupt the lines. This is meant to be a little bit more oversized and boxy. Super fun piece. Love this one. Okay. Let's pivot and think about alternatives. So Great little open sleeve sweaters. I love this kind of snitty sweatshirt that's so cute. One of my favorite pieces though, when I start to think about those great lightweight tops that I want to wear this time of year, and especially for a fun Memorial weekend get together. Again, when that weather might be a little bit unpredictable, or when you are trying to just cover yourself up just a tiny bit from the sun that we know is just coming down hard, that's when I grab a really light weave woven button down. So probably one of my hands down favorites, and I know it's yours too because we sell out of this every time we get it in, is from Z Supplies. So this is a Saturday striped shirt. Now, great classic red and white stripe, a linen, you guys, so it's so lightweight. I like it because it's a little oversized, a little bit relaxed, but it also comes in this super fun pink and orange combination. Does this not just scream summer? You can really celebrate Memorial Day, go to those picnics, go to those get-togethers without having to be so on the nose. I think this is a really fun, just summer nod, and it's a great little piece. I always pack this when I go on my spring break, like a couple of months back, and I treat this almost as a cover-up, and then I know that I can wear it also with a great pair of white denim, or with my cutoffs, out to dinner, or for a casual like run for brunch. Easy piece to grab, and a total workhorse in the closet. If you're looking for something with a little bit more shape, so you're like, oh, I really like the idea of a lighter weight top, but I want something that is just a little bit of a slimmer fit or a little bit less coverage. Gang, this is like the Splendid Life, right? We're talking about so many great pieces from Splendid, but this is another really great one. You're gonna notice a lot of this like pop over silhouette. We saw it in that great sweater. We see it here in my sweatshirt, and then gonna get it here in this great little woven top. Now I'm gonna bring it in so you can see the detail on this one. So fun. What I really like about this is it's not a full length sleeve, and that banded arm means you can just push it up right above your elbow for a little bit of volume. This is a no tuck, no fuss, no muss, and the detail on this one is so darn cute. A blue and white stripe, you cannot go wrong with this one. Really fun. And again, I think like the gravitated idea for sure for this one is to pair it back to blue denim, which I love. I'm really digging how this gives it some interest, paired back to black instead. So fun.
Question.
Yes.
Do you need to wear a tank or anything under the open weave sweaters?
So, okay, I was in these. I don't think you have to. I just go with a nude coverage bra. So skin tone bra underneath. This one, yes, definitely you do. Much more open weave. The Splendid, where the stripe hits, and congratulations on Splendid for figuring this out, where the stripe hits, it's going to give you some good coverage. So this would be another one that I would say, wear a cami if you want, but I also think you could go nude bra on this one and be totally fine. I don't know, in these open weave sweaters, I tend to like a layer underneath because sometimes I'm usually throwing those on because maybe it's cool in the morning, hot in the afternoon, but I'm not going to be coming home. So I wear a little tank underneath so I can always just take it off, throw it over my shoulders, and be done. Easy way to do it.
And another question.
Yeah, I love these questions. Great, keep it coming.
What's just a general,
yes.
What would you recommend for grad parties?
Okay, so a question. What would I recommend for grad parties? Well, my experience, they are typically often outside, right? Or in a big kind of room that can get really warm because it's all the people and all the hugging and all the talking and all the celebrating. So I'm looking for something that is easy breezy, comfortable, but still makes it look like I am put together. The best thing I can think of is a one and done dress. So two really fun dresses that I would suggest. The first is from Michael Stars. I adore this dress. It is so darn cute. Again, look at all the color in this. So fun. Now, why I like this is because it's that just classic A-line silhouette. It is great for a hot backyard. It's also great for a graduation if you are sitting in the sun. This is one of those, I don't want anything touching my body, but I still want to look put together dresses. That open V-neck really helps to flatter the neckline. I also love the seaming detail here. The tiering is really intentional here to actually give you more of a waist. I think sometimes these tiers drop down. This one's coming a little higher, gives you some really nice shape. And the actual fabric is so nice on this one. I just love this. Now, If you're looking for something that maybe is one step up, I think one of the easiest ways to do that is go a little bit longer but still feel nice and cool. This is a total stunner from Faherty. Light as air, but here's what makes this dress so amazing. All this ruching and gathering around the waist, so flattering, bra friendly, has pockets, and a little bit longer, so it feels just a touch more dressed up. So great, you guys. Such a good question. There's so many graduations happening right now. So many. If you need, just to throw it out there, if you need a great layer over a dress, again, it might be one of those, maybe you're hosting and the party starts early afternoon, it's going to be really warm, but you know that friends and family are going to stay later into the evening, and you're going to want a layer to go over. This cut jacket is one of my absolute favorites. In white, I think it's so fresh. What makes this really a step up from that denim jacket is the short sleeve, the bright white. There's good stretch in this one, and such a flattering silhouette. So not so long too, so it's going to hit you right at that waistline and really give you some shape over a dress. It would work on either of the dresses that I showed. Really fun one. Such good questions. Another really easy look, though, I would say for a more casual grad party is a great pair of a little bit more polished denim and a fun top. So grab this one because this is also great for Memorial Weekend, but I love the idea of wearing this for a grad party as well. Check out the detail on this one. Gang, get this one while you can. I'm telling you, this is going to be a total home run. Flattering. Square neckline, winner. Sleeve, winner. Ruched body, winner. So you cannot go wrong. It's like all the best things in tops put together. I also love the blue on this. This embroidery is impeccable. Gang, this is $88. It is a total steal for the make and quality of this top. It's a gotta have it. Now, how to style this? I would put this back to a great, again, more finished jean. I think grad party, I'm not looking for a raw hem jean necessarily, unless I know it's really casual. This is a great way to put it together and still feel really polished. I absolutely love the tie on the waistband of the Citizens. So darn cute. Throw on a little flat, or if you want to add a pop of color. Are we dying over these? I mean, come on, how cute is this? So kind of like the shoe I have on, but done in a red mesh. I love these from Dolce Vita. That would be such a fun little finish. Don't need a belt because you've got that drawstring and you're good to go. And this jean is really great because it's got so much movement and so much ease. Really fun. Like another fun pairing back to this, again for Memorial Weekend, but also could be great for a casual grad party, would be this more swing top. This has a little bit of a nod to that rugby silhouette. This is also from Eve, and a really nice one to pair back to something with that drawstring waist because you don't have to worry about tucking it in. So darn cute, right? Love that one. Okay. I know that a lot of Memorial weekends also involve baseball games and lacrosse games and soccer games, and you're sitting on the sidelines and you might be cooking a little bit, but maybe you're getting together with the team after for a little celebration. So you need something easy to throw on that kind of feels, in the spirit. So my first inclination is to grab this great railroad stripe short. I love this one because railroad stripe, number one, such a thing right now. This is from Sanctuary. Little bit shorter silhouette to show off those gams. Treat this just like a denim. So even though it's a stripe, it really acts like a neutral. You can pair it with a lot of different things. I'm kind of a sucker for this short sleeve sweatshirt. I think this is a fun combination. Really cool. Now, no belt loops on this one, so you don't have to worry about a belt. It feels really finished and polished. But here's where I add the scratch, aside from mixing that pattern. It's when you pop in an unexpected shoe. Now this would be super easy to pair back to a Burke. I'm telling you right now, this Mary Jane is just as comfortable and would be a really fun combination. Or you throw on your cute little West Coast hat. I mean, darling, right? Feels like a nod to Memorial Weekend, but not too over the top. Another way in, of course, is a great t-shirt dress. So another Eve winner here. This is based on that great Nora tank done in a dress. Now, one of the ways that I think really adds some freshness to a knit dress, and gang, this is like a baseball tournament, soccer tournament, lacrosse tournament dress. Whenever I see a dress like this that is even remotely in my team color, I snag it because I know this is something I'm going to want to wear and be comfortable in for a 12-hour day. But how do we make it look fresh and cute? Bandana is the way to go. There's lots of ways to style this and tie this. The easiest way, I think, is this great, I'm just going to pop it on over because look at that great little kind of Western tie. You can also do it more as a twist around your neck. Cute little knot here. I can't see it in the mirror, so I'm going to have to hope that everybody thinks this looks okay because I can't tell. But really, really easy way to do that there. Or one of the ways that I really think is fun actually can be in the hair, which is cute. So you do the same thing you did with your more Western look, right? So you've got your bandana coming down to a point. Couple ways to do this. You can either tie it like fully in the front. This is a real challenge when I don't have a mirror. So you can either tie it in the front. Oh, look, there we go, Britt. Thank you. So tie it in the front like this, cute little head cover up. Or if you have a long pony, you do the same thing you did with that like long necktie and tie it in your ponytail. So cute. So lots and lots of ways to style this. Look, total team player here. Just got a little mirror from the phone to help me with that. But I love a good bandana. I think it does really, really fun things for a look. And if you have a long one, you can also wear it as a belt, which is kind of an unexpected way to style it. Okay, last but not least, just when I'm thinking about those long tourney weekends, a cute little set is a really great way to go. And the best thing we all know about sets is all the mixing and matching. So this is from Spanx. I love, love, love this guy. It's almost more of a, again, that kind of terry silhouette gang. So not such a like heavier weight cotton. You've got a little bit more breathability here. I mean, how darn cute is this done in a skirt? But hello, thank you for this. For all of you that are running around after all the kiddos, it has a built-in short underneath. So comfy, so cute. My team's colors are navy and white, so I am for sure gonna snag this one up, but I love, love, love this. And then pop on a white t-shirt underneath the sweatshirt so you can swap it out, or even just your great little tank underneath would be easy too if the weather's getting really warm. Fun one to pop on. I am so gonna sneeze. I'm looking at a light. There we go, it went away. I love it when that works. Okay, so talked about all the fun ways in, guys. So whether it's a lightweight shirt, your open weave sweaters and sweatshirts that are the perfect layer, those easy, easy bottoms, grab yourself something drawstring, get yourself something railroad stripe. Grad parties are everywhere. So a one-piece dress is one of the best ways to go. And we've got a couple of great options I showed you today, but as you might imagine, so many more in store and online. I hope this gave you some great ideas on what you're gonna be styling next. Thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Have a fun, safe Memorial weekend.